In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your shopping experience using Modell's sporting goods website. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a newcomer trying to purchase sporting goods, this guide will ensure your process goes smoothly and efficiently. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in models.com, which will take you directly to Modell's sporting goods homepage. Models is known for carrying a wide variety of quality sporting goods and apparel, so you're definitely going to find something that fits your needs. As the page loads, you'll be greeted by their wide array of sports items ranging from apparel and footwear to equipment and accessories. Now that you've landed on their homepage, it's time to navigate to the cart. It's pretty straightforward. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find the cart icon. Once you click on it, you'll be able to view all the items you've selected to buy. It's always a good idea to double check the items in your cart. Quantity and details like size, color, or specifications are important to verify before checking out. As you review your cart, take your time to ensure everything looks correct. If you need to adjust the quantities or remove an item, this is the perfect opportunity. There might be occasions where you initially thought an item was essential but decide against it when you review your needs or budget. Conveniently, Modell's site is structured to make these kinds of edits hassle-free. Should you decide to continue shopping before completing your purchase, there's usually an option to go back and browse some more directly from the cart page. This feature is useful for those moments when you remember an extra item you need or if you come across something that sparks your interest midway through the process. Exploration can lead you to discovering great deals or perhaps that perfect gift for someone special. Once you're confident in your selections and ready to proceed with your purchase, look for the checkout button. Clicking it will take you to the page where you can enter your payment information and your shipping details. Fill in the required fields carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. Mistakes here can lead to delivery issues, so it's best to take an extra moment to double check all entries. At Modell's, they also often offer options to apply discount codes if you have any on the checkout page. Be sure to check if there's any promotion available on their site or through your email newsletters. It never hurts to save a bit of money. Finally, once all information is filled out and verified, submit your order by hitting the Place Order button. You'll shortly receive a confirmation email that details your purchase and provides the tracking information for shipping. Now, all that's left is to wait for your items to arrive. Happy shopping!